A health alert now. Whooping cough cases are increasing across the Commonwealth. And this comes as state officials say more than 130 cases of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, have been confirmed so far this year, with at least 8 people in the hospital, including 4 babies and a young child, along with 3 adults. Officials say Kentucky is experiencing an elevated rate of infection not seen in the state since 2016. And here in Lexington, the health department says there's been at least 47 confirmed cases in Fayette County. Pertussis is a highly contagious respiratory illness spread by coughing and sneezing. You can find more information about its impact on the state by clicking on this story on our website at WTVQ.com.